Divoom is a Chinese technology company that creates high-quality audio products and smart home devices. One of our products is Pixel 64, a Wi-Fi Pixel screen connected to the Pixel community. Users can play Pixel works created by other users. Divoom wanted to apply to the Google Mail and Google Calendar APIs to create a watch face that would provide users with real-time information about their email and calendar schedules. For example, use the Google Mail watch face to display the total number of emails in your mailbox, the number of unread emails, and the title of the latest email. Use the Google Calendar watch face to display the user's calendar data for the current month, and flash the date picker for the current date when a reminder event is created. The notification bar displays the title and time of the event, and the content of the event is displayed below the time the event occurred. The user who created the event is also shown at the bottom. Divoom has used the YouTube subscriptions API to display the number of account subscriptions and likes. Users can log in and switch between different data displays, and many more possibilities to display network data. Divoom's products are designed with security and ease of use in mind. Provides a seamless user experience for technologists and novices alike. Our team strives to meet the diverse needs of users by providing a range of data display options. Overall, Divoom uses advanced technology combined with a focus on user experience and security, making their products a compelling choice for anyone looking for high-quality audio and smart home devices. Thanks for watching.